Hello and welcome to this lesson on angles at the center and edges. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to recognize when the angle at the center theorem applies, identify isosceles triangles formed by radii, and calculate missing angles in circle problems. Let's get started. Circle theorems are special rules about angles inside a circle. One of the most important rules is this. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference when both angles are formed from the same arc. So if both angles are connected to the same 2 points on the circle, the center angle will always be double. Now let's look for hidden clues. OP and OQ are both radii, so they are equal in length. That means triangle POQ is isosceles. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Now, let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. Let's solve this circle theorem problem step by step. We have a circle with center O and 3 points on the circumference, P, R, and Q. Two triangles are formed, triangle POR and triangle POQ. We are given that angle POQ is 100 degrees, and we need to find the angle at the circumference labeled X. First, identify the radii. The lines OP, OQ, and OR are all radii of the circle. That means they are equal in length. Now look at triangle POQ. Since OP equals OQ, this triangle is isosceles, so the base angles are equal. That means angle QPO is equal to angle OQP. Using the angle sum of a triangle, angle QPO plus angle OQP plus angle POQ equals 180 degrees. So we have two equal angles plus 100 degrees equals 180 degrees. That leaves 80 degrees for the two equal angles. So each one is 40 degrees. Now we use the circle theorem. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference when they are formed from the same arc. Here, angle POQ is 100 degrees at the center. So the angle at the circumference X is half of that. 100 divided by 2 gives 50 degrees. So the value of X is 50 degrees. And that is your final answer. Let's move on to another question. You can pause the video and try yourself. In a circle, points A, B, and C lie on the circumference, and O is the center. Angle ACB is 35 degrees. We're going to find the angle AOB, which is the angle at the center. Now recall the circle theorem. The angle at the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference when they are formed from the same arc. So we take the angle at the circumference, which is 35 degrees, and multiply it by 2. 2 multiplied by 35 gives 70. So the angle at the center, angle AOB, is equal to 70 degrees. And that's your final answer. Now keep practicing using your revision notes and flashcards, or you may revisit this video anytime to master this topic.